good evening. Well, we're out for another walk. It's not many days since I was out and recording at Chewett Town. I apologise for the audio on that. But tonight I thought we'd, rather than the last few walks have been round lakes, I parked at the bottom and we're going up to the top of Cat Bells for sunset. So we'll see how we get on. Going up the easy way. Still lacking a bit of stamina, which you need to get back up. So anyway, that's the plan for tonight. Up to the top, see what we can see for sunset, and then we'll come back down. We may not get many pictures tonight, we'll see. The main aim is to get one from the top. So anyway, it's difficult talking when we're going up here, so we'll see you a little later. Right, we've stopped on the way up here. We're still fairly low down. We haven't really climbed. We're just on the bridle path, or bridle way should I say. I just thought with the sun sort of starting to go down on the hills across there, we've got Robinson in the background there. So we've taken the shot, as you can see from the back of the camera. F11 100 ISO, and it's 100th of a second because it's obviously quite bright at the moment. You can see the sun getting brighter. The clouds are coming and going a bit. What it'll be like when we get onto the top, I'm not quite sure, but just looking at the hills there, it may pay to get a march on to get up there before it's not going to be gone below the horizon. We might have dipped behind some of the mountains. So right, if the shot's any good, we'll put it up on the video and we'll see you shortly. Right, as you can see, we've made it to the top. Looking down on Derwentwater there. Keswick just the other side of Derwentwater, and then Skidder in the background. And we come slightly further round, we've got Bassenthwaite. The sun at the moment hasn't gone behind the mountains. Grisdale Pike, I think I'm looking at over there where the sun is. I won't show you because it'll just blow out. Hopefully the cloud will clear and maybe we'll get a decent shot. So, but what I'm going to do is get my shot set up, so if the sun does come out, well, I'll maybe take it anyway, but I'll get it set up ready, so we'll maybe take different shots as the sun moves about, or the clouds move about and the sun comes out. So right, see you shortly. Right, we'll see, I've set the camera up, there it is there, and that's the shot. What I am going to try again, which we did on the last video, is actually record through the screen. So that's now recording now, so hopefully you can see I've got the path coming up Cat Bells along there. There's the panel showing what mountains were there, and obviously don't water and Keswick behind. So I think we're just going to focus that a bit. Yeah, so I mean that's the shot. So we'll take a few varying as the sun changes. You can see it's quite bright actually on the top of here, possibly down there, but Keswick and Skidder are quite dark, so we'll see what goes on. But whatever shot's best we'll put up on the video after this, and then we'll probably start heading down. But anyway, we'll see you in a little bit later. Right, well, we've stopped on the way down. I've seen a very good shot before, I'm not quite sure whether this is the spot. And the light's not ideal, but I thought I'd take it as an experiment, see how it looks, whether it's worth coming back to do. As you can see, you got the path leading up and the top of Cat Bells behind. Unfortunately, the light hasn't been very good. The sun was shining, we're never in the right place, and if you look across there, I don't know whether you can see, you maybe can't see in the video. Right, I'll just stop there. Right, I've just altered the exposure, I don't know whether you can see there is quite a bit of colour, but it's not that spectacular given that there's no particular foreground or nothing else to show. So we'll take a couple of shots of Cat Bells from here. And if they're any good, I mean, it could be that with the light that they look quite good in black and white, but anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, we've stopped a little further along the road, or not road, along the path. Slightly different perspective from the last one, so we'll put this one up as well so we can compare it with the previous one. Right, I'm going to finish this video off here. So yeah, still a bit of colour over there, but it's not doing anything for photographs. And by the time I get down to the van, it's going to be too dark to video and that. So I'll finish it off. If you watched it to this point, thank you very, very much. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. So when this video comes out on Sunday, all being well, God willing, I will be in Iceland. So and then the next few videos will be from my adventures in Iceland. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment if you've got anything that you would like me to change, any way you'd like me to go, etc. But anyway, we'll see you on the next video. And again, thank you for watching.